In this video, I'll show you how to see the user activity in Xero. Once you were on Xero, the first step is to head over to the top bar, and on the left-hand side, you want to click on the sixth option, which is Accounting. Now, under Accounting, head over to the Accounting Tools section, and down below, you want to click on the last option, which is History and Notes. Now, once you were on the history and notes section, this is where you will see all of the details regarding the user activity. So in here, it will automatically say the user, and on the right hand side, the type of setting that they have did. On the right hand side of that, you will also see the detail. And on the detail, it will say edited. In here, Grunkle Ross edited the current financial year, which changed from 31st of March to the December. It also shifted all of the historical data to the new financial year end. Now, what you can also do is simply head over to the user section, click on the drop down, and in here, you can select a specific user in which you want to see the activity. Let's say we want to do for system generated. Once you're done, head over to the right hand side, click on apply, and it will automatically show you all of the details of that user. You can also add a start date as well as an end date whenever you want to see an activity on a specific date. Let's say you want to do all of the activities for the 27th of March. The end date will be the same thing. On the right hand side, if we click on apply, it will automatically show you all of the things that they did for that day. You can also set the date to be this month, this quarter, this financial year, last month, last quarter, and last financial year. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.